Welcome to the portal XISPITA, in which we create our own online graphic stories, comic books, cartoons and pictures that you have already prepared for all fans of the comic literature of tales, and even those that maybe couldn't draw as good as they want. Now with XISPITA, you have it easier than ever. The power to create your own graphics stories with a few mouse clicks. Let's begin the tutorial. You must first register and create an account, for what we will go to the icon and sign up clicking on it. Then we will see a page to fill our data. Read and mark the legal conditions. And when you fill in everything, click on the next icon. We are now into the area where to fill more specific data. We can log two types of users: customer, who is the one that buys and personalizes stories, and artist, which offers the users his own pictures. Fill the following information and click on the Register button. You will receive a message in your email address to confirm your membership. Click on the link and go on. Then we will be back on XISPITA.com. To get access, click on the user area and log in with your name and password. And here we are. Depending on how you have logged in, customer or artist, you will see two different types of menu. If you are a customer, you will have four options: create new stories, edit stories that you have already started, see or download stories that are finished, or see your billing. If you click on the button to create a new story, first you will have to choose the genre. When you have done it, go to the next step. Second thing to do is choosing the cartoon. Just select one to see how many vignettes has the story and how they look. Below the page, you will find some information about the author and more examples of his work. You will be able to choose how many pages you want to have on your comic book. That will vary the price. When finished, click on the Next button. In the next step, type of format and payment, you will confirm the number of pages in the comic, and if you prefer it, printed in book format or PDF format for computers. Also gives the user the options of working with a project or NGO, donating 0.7% of the amount of work hired. And finally, choose the payment method. You will have two options, both of them easy and safe. You will be redirected to the chosen one, and after confirming, click on Continue, and in a moment you will be back on the XISPITA.com site on its fourth step, which is the one that allows you to create your own personalized comic book. For this, drag the bullets to the bottom and put them in the desired order. And once placed in your desired place, drag the bubbles for each bullet, placing them too, and then do the same with text. Text can be varied in font and size. Then you go to the next step, number 5, which is intended to personalize the stories. Here we will create the front and back covers following the same instructions as in step 4, above dragging and dropping bubbles and text. You can personalize the back cover uploading a text or a file, for example a picture of the author. To upload the picture, click the Upload button, look for the file, select the image and upload it. You can do the same with text, writing and saving changes. Then we go to the next step, and finally we can finish our comic book, or we can save it for continue in another moment and then save and close the comic book. Once you have finished all the steps, you can go to the main page and find all your comic. Open them in PDF format, download them or share them in Facebook. Users will have an online community where to search for another registered users, see their profiles or your own one, and even edit your profile data and terms of privacy. All in a very simple and intuitive way.